Morning, Ricky.
Can you say morning, YouTube?
Good morning, YouTube.
Blah, 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 blah. Why don't you eat organic apple? Stupid mommy. Hi, little baby. This is only when you're good. You're terrible in the rest of the day. You look like a big teddy bear. So fluffy. Your mom's stupid. Don't talk to her. What's up, guys? Today, racing day, whatchamacallit. BMW driving experience. Oh my god. She hates me. Don't kill me. I have so much to live for. Like, I bring money. It's a family. What's up, guys? We're finally here. Not that long of a drive. It only took me 20 minutes. Signed up, everything. I'm like a true racer over there. He brought his own helmet. But this thing's pretty sick. Oh, is that carbon fiber inside? It is carbon fiber. This is interesting, like a matte color. It's like purpley. Oh, excuse me, sorry. My bad. Alright, here's the classroom, guys. I guess it's starting very soon. Dude, this pavilion's pretty sick. Check this out. Look, it's just big, massive, everything. You even have these like racing simulators. Can't wait to play some of that. We got some coffee over there. And so free. And snacks over there. And then pretty girls. Oh, one. So check out the set. Check out this course. So these are the cars you're going to be driving. Well, this is one of the sets. So this one and then this other set over there. It's pretty cool.
So it's no surprise that I kind of turned into a gearhead after all that exposure. I started racing to an exam
down the hill and back to the water. Big break.
Oh, no cars. What's up, guys? Chilling in the tent. There's like free water and stuff. But it's pretty sweet. You're just sitting here and watching people go and then you have your own turn. It's nice. It's nice. I have to work on my issues. Ooh, yeah, those nice M3s over there.
Have you done this before?
Third place with a 23.78 is Frank H. Only 2 is going to be Michael H. right in the middle there.
I got third place.
You were close.
Oh, I got third place. 5.000001. So this little thing is faster than an M5 off the line. Interesting. Actually pretty good for an all-electric car. It doesn't seem too complicated. There's so much room because there's no like transmission and shit. Who's ready? Yes, snacks, drinks. Yeah, check this out. I would love this. Well, guys, I'm off to work now. It's like 11 o'clock. Coming to work super late. Bad idea, but whatever. Here I'm at work. Here's my work. We actually just moved here from DC Water. And the job site's over there. But it takes a hike to go to my office. And the office is straight up trailers. Serious. Hurry up and pick one car, boy. I think we should just leave him in the box. Okay, bye, Vincent.